Hello everyone, welcome back to GuideWise. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you're going to summarize long videos using AI. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up ChatGPT. I am going to be using the Plus version just because you have access to so many different features. Their responses are so much better, but you guys can use whichever version in case you want to check out ChatGPT Plus. I'm going to leave a link down below for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus icon right here, and I'm going to click on add from Google Drive. Now here, I'm going to select the video. So it's this video right here, and I'm going to double tap on it. While this loads, I'm going to go ahead and use this prompt right here. So ChatGPT gives me a better answer. Okay guys, so I have the video ready to go. I simply said to ChatGPT, summarize this video and please give me 3 key points I should keep from it. I'm going to go ahead and click on send, and I'm going to go ahead and wait. And that is it, you guys. In literally seconds, I was able to summarize an almost an hour-long video. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to check out ChatGPT Plus, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.